everybody! Today we're going to be making Christmas cards. We're going to be drawing and coloring, so you'll need either some crayons or markers or colored pencils, depending on what you have available. You could also use a regular pencil for some outlining. We won't need scissors today. So I'll be drawing one thing on my Christmas card, but everyone can do a different drawing, and I'll show some other people's Christmas cards that have been made this year, that have been drawn this year as well, and you'll see just how different that they can be. Ready? Let's get started. All right, I'm planning on using a pencil to decorate part of mine and some crayons. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. Now, let's get coloring. Now we'll open up the card, and I'm going to show you how to write Merry Christmas. It'll look a little weird because it's upside down, but let's start. M E R R Y spells Mary. C H R I S T M A S spells Christmas. And then you can also have fun decorating inside the card. I forgot to write who I was making this card for at this point of the video, but I remember later. Okay, so obviously you do not have to do the same one that I did. Here's just a few more examples of what other people have done this week. And I hope you guys, I'm sure you guys are going to make beautiful cards. And don't forget to just pick someone to give them to. You can give them, if there's multiple of you right now, you can give them to each other. You can give them to one of your parents. You can give them to another sibling. You can give them to a friend. You can give them to your neighbor across the street. But if you go across the street, make sure you have someone tall with you, okay? And I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy making pictures for Christmas. I love you guys. Bye.